So many of us find it very difficult to understand, why is my journey so hard? Why should it be so hard? Auntie, what did I do? How is it that this thing is a blessing? And why is it that I should always suffer? And why does it come with problems and everything? I still beg to differ with that kind of mentality and mindset. And I have a reason behind this. I have a reason. In life, there's no life without challenges. There can never be life without challenges. But how you approach your challenges and how you think and how you deal with your challenges will tell because the more you entertain or the more you only focus on the negative that are surrounding you and things that are being thrown at you, you will definitely find it very difficult to overcome any other thing that you feel it might be a sabotage. But when you start now creating possibilities in your mind, in your spirit, then you will be able to see that every difficulty actually can be transformed to an opportunity to change your life for the better. How it's meant to have challenges, it's part of the journey, but how you approach your challenges will dictate wena as a fighter, wena as an individual, wena as wena as a person that wants to better their lives. Are you in track? Do you want to change your life through the habits, through the things that you decide to when you will think better, do better and everything? Because bahlomezile batho ba bangata in the journey, and banka neo ska thuhako, banka leeto la moya ska an insult, which I find it very wrong in a way, because how is it that God can appoint you for something, then he wants to degrade you, then he wants you to feel that life is none of value or something. You are meant to be a warrior, you're meant to be a soldier, and soldier on in the process of your journey, so you can be able to see the potential and the power that lies within you through you breaking the walls that were created to just shut you down. So how it's not supposed to be as easy as you want it to be. It's not, and the manner of approach towards the spiritual space, towards your spiritual journey, it will dictate the kind of results also you will receive. So do make sure that you research about the kind of the spirit that you carry. Do research about the kind of a path that you would prefer to serve. Do research about how your spirit is leading you towards a destiny. Do research about how to tangle and how to overcome the challenges that are being brought to you in your journey. Do a research about how is it the problems that you have connecting with your daily lifestyles and with your spiritual assignment. Then you tlo bona hore hantle your purpose ya kae e abetswe eng le hore le wena o abetswe eng le hore o tsamaya jwang ka tlasa leeto la hao to do better and be a better person. I said